Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. My name is Seema Yadav. So guys, today I'm going to tell you that when you are from village, then you can still speak in English. So guys, it doesn't matter you are from city, you are from village, because English never say that you are from village and you are from a city. Okay, when you give time to learn English, then you can learn, guys, and you can follow right way to learn English, and you give more time for learning English. This is not possible that you can learn one day or 2 days, between 1 or 2 days. This is a long process, guys, because I'm saying like this because 1 or 2 year ago I was not able to speak even a sentence, but now I can speak English. I'm not saying that I'm fluent speaker. There is a bit mistake, but I'm improving myself day by day, and I'm learning daily new sentences and new verbs and words. If you want, then you should give more time for learning English, and you can learn daily some new sentences and some words and verbs, guys. Sooner or later I will give you some tips and some steps what I had followed in my last period. So because guys, now I can explain myself to anyone. Guys, I'm not saying that only English is a very important language, or Hindi is also very important language, but guys, I'm saying for English that because English is a international language. If you will know English, then you can survive anywhere, guys, anywhere. Suppose that if you will go out of country and you don't know their language, but if you know English, then you can survive there easily. You can survive there easily. So that's why I'm saying this, guys, because guys, it's a internet period, and you all are doing everything with the lots of things. You are doing lots of things with the internet, and in social media, and mostly all platform there is English. If you know English, then you can help yourself. So that's why, guys, I'm saying in this generation English is a very important, and in my next video I will tell you in deep about English. So if you like my video, then like, subscribe and share. See you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.